everybody. You've just caught me having a snack and also pondering the statement, toast always falls butter side down. Now, this is a pessimistic saying, meaning the worst thing always happens. But is there any truth to it? I mean, one possibility is that it is true and that butter is somehow attracted to the earth and always falls that way. But not very likely, I agree. Another possibility is that it's not true, but we think it is. Toast falls randomly, but we only remember those times when the toast fell butter side down and ruined the carpet. This is called selection bias. And this is the same way that psychics trick you into thinking they have special powers, because we forget all the things they said wrong and just remember those couple of things that by chance they got right. We have a selection bias in our data. But the third possibility is that it really does always fall butter side down, but it's due to something about how the toast falls. So, I have built here a special device that can test this. It's a platform where I can change the height. And I have a push stick that I can use to push my toast off and try and control as many variables as possible. So I'm going to put my toast on the table, and this will be the case where I elbow the piece off the table onto the floor. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh, did you see that? It landed butter side down. It bounced, but it landed butter. Let's do one more just to check. Here we go. Clear that one out of the way. Butter side down. Absolutely disgusting.